In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set your Microsoft Word document to a long bond paper size, specifically how to switch it to legal size format. This might sound like a small change, but it's incredibly useful when you need to print documents on longer paper. Let's get started. First off, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word. If you already have a document open that you need to adjust, simply navigate to that document. Otherwise, you can open up a new document by either selecting New Document from your menu or starting a blank one from the Start screen. Once your document is open, let's dive into the next step, which involves adjusting the document size to accommodate your specific printing needs. Now turn your attention to the top of your Word window. You'll see several tabs such as Home, Insert, Design, and others. We're particularly interested in the Layout tab, which is often located toward the middle or right side of your tab selections. Just click on Layout. This tab is where you'll find most of your page setup options, including our next item, Paper Size Selection. Under the Layout tab, you'll notice a few sections, namely Margins, Orientation, and Size. Here you'll want to click on Size. A drop-down menu will appear with various size options such as Letter, A4, and more. These are the default dimensions for your document pages, but since you're aiming for the long bond paper size, you're going to want to select something specifically for that dimension. Long bond paper, particularly in many places, usually equates to the legal size option. You might know, or maybe you've seen, that legal size paper is 8.5 by 14 inches, which is indeed longer than the more commonly used letter size. So to make the adjustment, simply locate the legal option in that drop-down menu and click on it. This will immediately change the layout of your document to that of a long bond paper. Once you've selected legal, your document should automatically resize to the new dimensions. You'll notice that the visual representation of your page on the screen becomes longer, reflecting the new settings. This is your cue that your page setup is complete. Now your document is ready to be used and printed on long bond paper without any issues. And that's it. You're all done. Changing the paper size in Microsoft Word is straightforward, yet makes a significant difference for tasks that require specific printing requirements. Remember, if you ever need to revert the changes or select a different size, you can always navigate back through the Layout tab and adjust as necessary. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the process of paper size adjustment. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides and tech tips like this one.